At midnight, the doorbell rang, a sharp echo slicing the quiet. Anna froze. No one ever visited this late. She peered through the peephole. Empty porch. Only the wind stirred. Her heart thudded. Again, the bell chimed, louder, insistent. She flung the door open. Nothing. Cold air pressed against her skin. She backed away, slamming the door. The bell rang a third time, now from inside the house. Spinning, she saw her hallway stretching impossibly long, lined with identical doors, each with a glowing button. Behind every door, she heard the bell, ringing just for her.